Hey everyone, in this first tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the two certificates that you need to create an app or to reskin an app. Now you only need to do these once per year, so if you've done this before you can go ahead and move on to tutorial number 2. So you just got to create it and then you can pretty much forget about it until 1 year rolls around. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up our iOS Development Center, and then from there go into the Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. We're going to go into certificates, and if you've never done this before you should see a blank screen just like this. So we're going to go to the top where the plus button is, click on that, and the first one we're going to do is a development certificate. So click on the iOS app development and click continue. Saying we need a CSR file. So to do that, let's minimize Safari. Click on your Finder. This is the easiest way to get there. In the top, click Go to Utilities, and then go to Keychain Access. Once you're in there, click the menu, Keychain Access menu, go to Certificate Assistant, and click on the one that says Request a Certificate from a Certificate Authority. Sounds nice and complicated, but it's actually really easy. Go ahead and enter the email address and the name of the person that is registered with the account. Save that to your disk. I'm going to save it to the desktop, that's the easiest place to find it. Go ahead, click Done, and we can minimize that and go back into the iOS Development Center. So click Continue on this page, and you can choose File to upload that file that we just created that's on the desktop. So I'm going to choose that and generate it. Once that's done, go ahead and download it. Open up your downloads and double click that certificate. If you go back into Keychain Access, you'll see that it popped up. I can see it right here. This one wasn't here before. So that's good, it installed, and we're going to add one more back in Safari. This one's going to be for production, so you can distribute the app in the App Store. So click on the App Store and Ad Hoc section, click Continue. It says we need a CSR file again. We're actually going to use the exact same file that we used before. So go ahead, choose File, pick up the certificate from your desktop, click Choose, and then generate again. We're going to do the same thing and download it. And then open up your downloads, double click to install. If you go to Keychain Access, you should now have 2 certificates. So if you go back into Safari and you click Done, you should see both your certificates, one for iOS development and one for iOS distribution. And that's it. You only need to do this once per year, so you don't need to worry about this for a while. Thanks guys.